Kurumirira giko giki andu ana ni maroragirwo na ngeri kugurario uru kurumirira njukaniriro kwiyumiria thutha wa ariithia a mahiu a ruriri rwa ukabi kurio maheana gitumi gia kurithiria mahiu mao mugunda-ini wene matari na rutha.
Tunawashukuru watu wa Kiambu kwa ukarimu wao ambao walitukaribisha tangu back 2014. You know, this drought has extended almost a span of 3 years. Kwa hivyo tunasema shukrani. Kisanga ya asubuhi na isasema it was just an accident. It was nothing planned.
Thutha wa guikaniria ciugo Jecinta Wangari hamwe na acio ake ni marekorire haceke riria ariithia cio maracomorire ruhiu rwa njora na gutemanga nyina mutwe kuria marageririe kumuhonokia na kumutengeria thibitari-ini ya Thika level 5 no arakua mbere ya kwamukira urigitani.
Attacking one another is not a solution. If you are not able to reach the agreement, then there is administration who are supposed to give advice and the way forward.
Agekira uhoro ucio mukonde kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Nyange ni ugite ni magacirithitio gitiri thutha wa kwamukira riboti ya ikaria gicagi gia Tora aria methaite gutungia haro ariithia acio mahiu.
Mob decided to move fast and attack those Maasais, and they were subjected to mob justice. 5 of them seriously injured, and we arrived at the scene almost immediately, and we managed to rescue the 5 Maasais who were taken very fast to Thika Hospital for treatment.
Oho mubunge wa tauni ya Thika Patrick Wainaina ni orite ikundi icio cieri ciheane gitio niguo guikarania na urumwe.
I'm calling on them. Let us have respect for the areas that you are going. When I hear that an old lady has been murdered because of defending whatever she thinks is her place, I feel a bit discouraged.
Wainaina ni athingireirie kuga ni mekurutithania wira na maofitha a borithi gutigirira aria maratafanirie giko kiu ni matacokerio makinya ma kiwatho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wanganga.